Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel and you are not subscribed yet, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at AUD But before we continue, make sure you follow me on Telegram. The link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section. Go to the comment section, you see the link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram if you are not, because I'll be posting a whole lot of information, tons of information that would be useful for you. So make sure you follow me. Now let's see what this AUD USD. Basically, I'm still expecting a drop, um, you know, on AUD USD. But due to the fact that we will be expecting major news on this our USD, right, which is PPI also, which is going to have an impact on this our DXY, and that will determine the movement on our DXY. So it will be a bit difficult for us to predict. So I think price will actually range within this level that price is actually doing. You can see it here. You can see this, green, we actually open and close bullish. Then another day we actually opened and closed bearish. See, another day we actually open and close bullish. So let's see if today we will actually get that bearish move. So basically we will be ranging within this level. Let me go to the forward time frame. So this is, I think we'll be ranging within this level right now. So this is what I'm expecting. So possibly if AUD USD comes to this, resistance level, I expect a drop to the support level, then again a movement to the resistance level. So basically, I will be seeing this back and forth movement. And if in case there's going to be a breakout, then I expect the breakout to the upside. I don't expect it to actually drop down. I'll be expecting a movement to the upside. By the way, nothing is 100% sure. You just have to use risk management. And the news, by the way, we don't know what the news is going to be saying. We will just have to watch out for the news and see what the news will do. By the way, the news will actually move the market, so it's what we will be watching out for on AUDUSD. Do not forget to follow me on Telegram if you are not here following me.